Hey guys, so this is called a monopoint system, completely different to your track systems. So how this works is that there is a monopoint disc fixed to the floor of a mobility vehicle, and here we have the retractor with this monopoint attachment. How this works is you got to pull this lever, this pin, hold that up and slide this onto the point that's fixed to the floor of the mobility vehicle. Once it's in, release the pin and it clicks in. Now it's all secure. To take it off, you lift the pin again, thumb on the ball's head, lift the pin and slide it out, and there we go. Alright guys, just a word of advice: whenever you're loading your wheelchair into the vehicle, always take note that your two front retractors must come at a wider angle to the wheelchair frame at the front, and your rear retractors must always be in line with the wheelchair frame at the back. That's how you know your correct position for travel of the wheelchair. Hey guys, kindly note that this wheelchair that we are using is not suitable for travel. However, it's only been used for demonstration purposes. So when putting your belt onto the wheelchair, press the red release button, pull your belt out. Once you have your belt out, generally you will hook this onto the adapter that can be found on the wheelchair, and it has a sticker saying that you can put your retractor hooks onto the adapter. If it does not have the adapter, the strongest place on the wheelchair is where 2 or 3 of the metal framework joints meet. However, this one, for demonstration purposes, we will just place it here today. Once it's hooked on there, it's nice and tight. Tighten your belt by turning the tension knob at the side, and once that's in, your belt is all locked in.